Hello, and welcome to another product presentation from frunk.at. The Audi Q4 e-tron is a great car, but what it really needs is a frunk, and we have made that possible now. I will open the hood, currently still manually, and I am using a pragmatic, makeshift tool, like a plastic rod, to prevent the hood from falling on my head. Yes, here we see it already, the frunk installed, ready to go, and soon available for delivery. I will take out the utensils. Currently, there is a 7-meter Type 2 charging cable and a large bag that fits quite well into the right area of the frunk. And there is also a warning vest, or you can put other items in the gap of the net. Okay, here you can see it already. The frunk is relatively spacious. I'll take it out. Like all our products, there is no need for screws, drilling, or gluing. They simply clip into place on the Audi, and that's it. Here is another detailed view. The frunk is secured in the engine compartment using 4 clips, 4 retaining clips, and some buffers, where an additional support is also applied. Before we put it back in, I would like to show you the topic or the issue of the hood support, which you normally have to prop up here to keep the hood open accordingly. During the product development of Usand, we had to decide whether to create a proper frunk with enough space or to limit the frunk to this extent, leaving no space at all, or even having no frunk at all. And at the moment, it is the case with our frunk that this shell covers the hood support, and therefore you can no longer use the hood support for the Audi Q4 e-tron. But that's not a problem, because in the foreseeable future there will be a gas spring, originally from the company frunk.at, that will be installed here, allowing for a semi-automatic opening of the hood. Since all of this is custom production, or rather, special productions take a bit longer for development or manufacturing of the gastroquare, but we will be able to offer these in a few weeks as well. Okay, then let's use the frunk once. As mentioned earlier, the retaining clips are placed here on the engine strut. One positions the frunk correctly. You can easily orient yourself here by the silhouette or the rubber seal. Position it and then press firmly on the retaining clips once, and that's it. It's already in and ready. In conclusion, I would like to address some questions that we frequently receive, and rightly so. An interesting and legitimate question that arises repeatedly is whether the frunk requires approval. On one hand, we are conducting an independent review by TÜV Austria, which will follow. On the other hand, if a product can be installed in a car without tools, it does not require approval and is considered cargo. Accordingly, no, you have nothing to fear when using the frunk. Well, does the frunk burn or get a bit warm? Our frunks are typically made from ABS, which is a flame retardant plastic. I have another video, which we will link, where we tested different plastics, including ABS. And this ABS fee is self-extinguishing, meaning it can be ignited with a flame, it glows a little, and then goes out again, even when the flame is removed. Okay. A question that is probably unnecessary is the frunk from the workshop? Does the frunk need to be installed by the workshop, or can you install it yourself? As you can see, it's really child's play. It can be installed immediately and removed again in just a few seconds. Yes. Now I can't think of anything else. That's it from my side. If you are interested, the product will be available on our homepage in a few weeks, and then we can ship it to you in no time. So you will have a frunk in your Audi Q4 e-tron as well. That's it. Thank you. Your Josef from frunk.at.